J with the heat.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a refill redesign video, and I'm going to show you in detail exactly how I refill and redesign a full set of acrylic nails. These nails have been worn for right around 3 weeks, and there was just a little bit of lifting on this pinky, which I already clipped off with a nail with a nipper tool. So you just want to gently go in and nip away any of the lifting acrylic. Now I'm going in with this drill bit from Kodak USA, and I'm taking off all of the bulk of the acrylic because I'm going to go in with a different acrylic on top of this to change up the design. If you wanted to just go in with a gel polish, you would just lightly take off the existing gel polish and you could keep the bulk of the acrylic. That way you don't have to do too much work. But I wanted to change the acrylic completely, so I'm using this drill bit. I really like this drill bit for removal because it's very coarse and it takes away the bulk really fast. So I'm just gonna make a thin platform for me to work on, and I'm avoiding the natural nail, the regrowth area, because this drill bit is too coarse for that. Also, as I go in with this drill bit, you'll see me shaping up the side walls so that when I go in to hand file, I can do less work and save some time. So I'm gonna let you guys watch this removal, and then I'll be back to explain the rest.
People bark like a hound, 10 toes on the ground, knock you out for the sound, make it them couple rounds. I heard a couple rounds, dressed up for the fashion, high life steady flashing, bad dog keep acting, starting to feel pessimistic, love feels so different, 2 cup of wines with options, like they down so many topics, never again, I do not want no more friends, every time I say that repeat, fall on my knees say amen, let's be that flashy light, when nobody knows, touching the steering wheel, while the music slow, Houston showing love to a Haitian woman. Remember working hard, no vacation, no. Yeah. Taking out shit like a dart. Demons watching my house in the dark. I need that light. I need that lighter. Help me the candle. Take care of my people. Whooping that phone and secret.
Now I'm going in with this Cuticle Bit. This one is also from Kodak USA, and I'm just going around the cuticle area and getting all of that dead skin away. I'm also going to use this to take down some of the bulky acrylic that is around the cuticle area. You can use this tool to do multiple different things, so give it a try. I highly recommend this tool. It helps prevent a lot of lifting for me. And now I'm going in with a regular sanding bit, and I'm going to have this on pretty low speed so that it doesn't irritate the client's natural nail. I stopped using the Tammy Taylor purple etcher. I find that this pretty much does the exact same thing, and I've had good results. So I'm gonna go over the natural nail area very lightly, and also over the surface of the nail, just to put some grit onto this nail. And I also like doing that because it turns the nail white and I can see the shape a lot easier. I'm gonna go in with this hand file. I got this hand file from a bulk set off of, I think, Your Best. I'll have it linked in the description box if you're interested in that. So now I'm getting ready for application. I'm going in and dehydrating twice, and then I'll be priming twice with NoLiftNails primer.
I wanted to knock at the noggin, but instead I gave you the knowledge. I'm so fed up with the colleges teaching the.
So I'm just going to fill in that clear layer.
And you might speed some. Same thing like it's an ABC. Might wear an AP. Diamonds from AC. I think it's from overseas. Real talk is a bigger me. Real talk, I got no enemies. Can't see, you can't see me. Can't see, you can't see me. Can't see, you can't see me. You can't see me. It look like a mile away. I'm taking my time today. Don't got time today. I'm on my grind, okay? Please get out my face.
After that's done, I'm going to show you guys how I mixed up this milky white acrylic. I used this white from the Banggood 24-piece set and a little bit of this pink acrylic from an old acrylic set that I had and a little bit of clear, and I just mixed that up. One thing I will say is the white from that Banggood set is very gritty, and I kind of regret using it. I wish I had used Tammy Taylor white. It would have been a lot smoother, but it still worked out at the end of the day, so that's an option for you. I'm gonna go in and fill all of the nails with this white, and then I will encapsulate them with clear.
Super fat. Yeah, they look a mile away. I'm taking my time today. Don't got no time today. I'm on my grind today. Please get out my face. So much on my mind today.
Kim J. Yeah, he booming, nigga.
Stocking of that cheddar just to do it, y'all. Swear. Buying of that jewelry just to do it, y'all. Whipping all on foreign just to do it, y'all. But it won't mean nothing. 6 foot deep. 6 foot deep. 6 foot deep. 6 foot deep. I'm about to cop a new jet. I'm about to rip it with that. Zoom, zoom, burn the gas. Spin the cash, get it back. Hope it don't last too long. I heard it was best my son. All these diamond necklaces and a white tee. I swear. Freezing so cold out here, man, it's icy. Never on my bag, yeah, I'm 19. They don't know where we came from. They don't know what we been. But I'm never going back. Never going back. I say never going back. Rockin' this garment though. My outfit ain't Fuji though. Don't mess with no booty folks. Pull up in the Hummer though. Standing out honest though. They don't know about comments though. They don't know about comments though. Hold on right now, don't back it. Hold on right now, don't back it. Might as well be high fashion. Up in the company landing. All in the scene, I'm gagging. All in the scene, I'm gagging. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Roll like focus. Brody, don't you know me? Don't you notice? Hold up, hold up, hold up. Mom ain't talking. Wait, hold up, hold up. Hold up, hold up. Man, I thought you was my brody. Acting like you that I know me. Used to be chillin' in Okie. Wait, yeah. Get that there. Just ain't there. Like a big old bear. I won't keep on calling, I ain't staying, y'all. Used to be chillin' up in the bay, y'all. Man, I want to bend up in my bay, y'all. Man, I want to chill up in my bay, y'all. Stocking of that cheddar just to do it, y'all. Swear. Buying of that jewelry just to do it, y'all. Whipping all on foreign just to do it, y'all. But it won't mean nothing. 6 foot deep.
So this is after file shaping and buffing the nails. If you want to see my updated filing routine video, it will be linked in the cards at the top right. So I'm using Zulay's BLING Adhesive and some AB high quality crystals in size SS20, SS16, SS12, SS10, and SS5 and 3. and then I'm just gonna apply these kind of randomly, but at the same time I do kind of have an idea in mind, but they're not gonna be exactly the same on both hands because that's just too stressful for me. They're gonna be a little bit different on each hand, but you get the gist of it. So I'm gonna let you guys watch my stone placement and I'll be back after that.
Zoom, zoom, burn the gas. Spin the cat, get it back. Hope it don't last too long. I heard it was bad for myself. Holla, holla. Holla, holla. No Coca-Cola. Flip skitches. Mind your business. Steady chillin'. Make a killing. Holla, holla. No Coca-Cola. Flip scriptures. Mind your business. Steady chillin'. Make a killing. Make a killing. Touch the ceiling. Holla, holla. No Coca-Cola. Flip scriptures. Mind your business. Steady chillin'. Made a killing. Made a killing. Touch the ceiling. Made a killing with the M&M. That's a sin, I ain't feeling him. Pop the top, water bottle. The Bentley wheel. Ride another Harley. And did it to the end. Work mistake with pen 10. I hate elbows on rims. Vanity we see. It's all I see. Bad vibes around me. Brainwashing me. Get away from me. Never call my mama T. Mess somebody naked me. Never give me envy. As I come around, I'm discovering. As I come around, I'm recovering. As I come around, I wanna love again. As I come around, I wanna be innocent. As I come around, I found I wasn't perfect. Come around. As I come around. As I come around. I'ma run with it. Execute, not done with it. I'm feeling stuck as a mouth trap. I think I'm gonna need some more figures. Go figure out what you keep missing. They tell me I don't pay attention. I tell them I'm losing my interest. Got options, there's two of them, but they both wrong. All of them, we both wrong. Just calm down, I'ma make it home. Hard life, may be hard-headed. I would explain, but I forget it. Do you feel me? I can't feel you. Don't know what you talking. Going to sleep in my house. I'm gonna run out. I call me a mate. I hopped on my bike. I turned on the light. I lost all my rights. You right, I'm alright. You right, I'm alright. You see, I'm alright. Making a killing kill. Dropping the top of the wheel. True music with a spin. 180 no bins. Never really had friends. Few bros and that's that. Few bros and that's that. Got rid of all that. As I come around, I'm discovering. As I come around, I'm recovering. As I come around, I wanna love again. As I come around, I wanna be innocent. As I come around, I found I wasn't perfect. As I come around, I'm discovering. As I come around, I'm recovering. As I come around, I wanna. I pray to my power, and it's about an hour. Giving y'all a scripture shower. Never LOP devour. Yeah, I'm a Jew, chicken and soup. Garment on two. I need about two, don't mess with fools. Yeah, so dumb. Yeah, so dumb. You don't have a clue. Yeah.
After the resin is fully dried, I'm going to top coat on top of the stones and over the nails completely. I like doing this to make sure my stones stay in place. Since they're not genuine Swarovski, I don't really care about losing the cut that much. And somehow IBD Intense still manages to keep some of the shape of the stones intact. and they still sparkle and shine quite a lot. In the end result, you'll see that they kind of look exactly the same. So this is the final result after applying cuticle oil. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!
You see, block out the room with Luis. Never hold on, do you see? I'm making the L on the lead. Making a choice. Where's the horse? No Porsche. Danger abort. Danger abort. Tying it up with a cord. You call me Shrek, I'm Green O'Gore. I need some sleep. Where's my peace? Where's the bird? Like Tweety the leak. Man, it's a dog. I put on a leash. I'm feeding my people, cause we the lost sheep. I pray to my power, and it's about an hour. Give it y'all, let's go to shower. Never LOP devour. Yeah, I'm a Jew. Chicken and soup. Garment on two. I need about two. Don't mental fools. Yeah, so dumb.